How to fix Can't Empty Recycle Bin in Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help fix Can't Empty Recycle Bin in Windows 10. 1. Remove any recently installed program using the recommended Pro in this video guide. Plan B, perform clean boot. 2. Run the following rt/s/qc:\$ recycle.bin command as admin. 3. Run Task Manager and end the Microsoft OneDrive under the Processes tab. 4. Make the best of the storage sense. 5. Restart Windows Explorer. Entry under the Processes tab. 6. Perform a full malware scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide.